From the makers of such products as the track saw and the Systainer stacking and storage system, comes an ageless holiday product for the whole family. This holiday season, Festool proudly presents the limited edition insulated Cooltainer Systainer by Festool. So, just before we dive in, I just want to specify this is not the Cooltainer. This is just a regular Systainer from Festool. It's pretty much the exact same thing. You know, you got your T-LOC and the handle, and you can open it up. It's just, the difference is instead of a tool, you have foam in there with you know, your beverages or something, or hot. Why are we doing a video without the actual thing? This stunning high-performance cooler stacks perfectly on the job site for ready on-the-go food and beverages when you need them. The sleek box design attaches to your saws, grinders, vacuums, your pet cat, you name it. And the Systainer will attach to it. Well, maybe not your pet cat. Did we also mention it's lightweight for when you're on the go? The cooler has an easy-to-use top handle for when you're on the job site and on the go. There are racking grooves built in easily to store using your rails for cabinet-based storage. The Cooltainer Systainer is compatible with and can be attached to all previous Systainer generations. The installation can handle both cold and hot items, just not at the same time, am I right? Insulating inserts are located in both the lid and the body, thereby surrounding the container's contents. The pieces of the insert align perfectly together to keep the contents warm or cold longer. But wait, there's more. Act now and get this 20-ounce BPA free double wall tumbler with Festool logo. It's made from Wellington stainless steel with a rubberized cork-looking base and a snap-on lid. Order now, we'll also throw in the official bottle opener with the Festool logo. Made from stainless steel and rigid PVC plastic. Here's the Holly Jolly rundown. The Cooltainer is perfect for maintaining the temperature of cold or warm items. Systainer is compatible with and can be attached to all previous Systainer generations. Compatible with the SYS-Cart, SYS-Roll, MW1000 workshop, and CT dust extractors for perfect mobility. Has a durable design, it's integrated grooves for storage with the SYS-SN 4 rails, simple to open with T-LOC latch, comes with a 20-ounce BPA free double wall stainless steel tumbler with Festool logo and rubberized cork-looking base and snap-on lid, a bottle opener with the Festool logo. Okay, so if you want to know the dimensions, you might want to pause here because I'm just going to run through them really quickly. The outside dimensions are the height of 16.93 inches, with a width of 15.59 inches and a depth of 11.65 inches. The inside dimensions have a height of 14.13 inches, with a width of 12.60 inches and a depth of 7.87 inches. The total weight of the inside and the outside would be 6.371 pounds. Is it really necessary to have that specific of an option? Okay. But that's it for us today. For this and other holiday shopping ideas, head over to ohiopowertool.com. We have a great gift guide selection for you to choose from. Like and subscribe for more content, and we'll catch you next time.